Hey guys, welcome to Riva Academy, and in this tutorial we are going to look at fetching data from JSON file and displaying it on our Flutter application. So we started by creating a new project in Visual Studio Code, and I will remove these extra comments. Okay, and I will also remove these two classes so that we can start with a clean slate. Okay, I will create a stateless widget by the name my home page. Okay, I will remove these title parameter, and instead of container this will return scaffold. Okay, why am I getting error? Okay, there is one extra bracket down there. Okay, now I will quickly add the app bar and the title text to the app bar. Title text, say JSON demo. Okay, and I will run this in emulator. Okay, now you can see that this is running in emulator. I will go to my project folder and I will create a new folder by the name assets. Okay, so you can see that here this this folder is created. Okay, and inside this folder I will create a new file by the name say items.json. Okay, and I have a sample data which I will copy paste over here. Okay, so this is the sample data that I have. It has product name, price and category name. Okay, so what we will do is read this JSON file and display the data on our screen. So what I'll do is copy paste this JSON data and open this quick type, and this will generate the model class for us. Okay, so based on our JSON data, this will generate the model class. Okay, so I will create a new file, say items.dart. Okay, so this is a kind of our podo class that is created. Okay, this class will help us in fetching the data. Okay, so I will import this file created. Cool. Now what I will do is create a function. Okay, but before that I will go to my pubsec YML file and I have to specify my assets file over here also. So what I will do is I'll go to this assets part. Okay, and write the name of the assets file that I'm using, the JSON file, that is assets/items.json. Okay, when you save, you can see this Flutter packages get command running, which will add this dependency in our project. Okay, so whenever you are using any images or any JSON file, external file, we have to specify over here in pubsec YML file. Now let us go back to the main.dat file and create a function which will help us in fetching the data. So I will write a future list of items. Okay, the items is the podo class which we have created. Okay, we will say the name of the function as fetch items. Okay, this will take a parameter as build context, and we will define this function as asynchronous. Okay, now I will say final JSON string is equal to await default asset bundle. Okay, we are reading this JSON file from our local. Okay, so we will use this asset bundle of context not load JSON string. Okay, and the name of the file which we have specified in pubsec YML file, assets/items.json. Okay, and we will say return items from JSON string. Now this items from JSON function is defined in the items.dart file. Okay, you can see that there is commented portion which is telling us which function to use. Okay, so this is the function. Okay, they have nicely made a class, okay, based on our JSON file. You can see that product name, price and everything is there. So we just have to call this function item from JSON, okay, to read the data. Okay, so this our function is ready. Okay, now we'll start with building the UI. Okay, we will write body and say container, and in the child we will use FutureBuilder. Okay, so whenever we have to fetch the data asynchronously, we most of the time use FutureBuilders. Okay, so here also we are going to do the same, and it has this future parameter, and in the future parameter we will write our function fetch items. Okay, and there is also this builder parameter. Okay, in this builder parameter it will take context and snapshot. Now this snapshot is the written data, the data which is written from this function fetch items. Okay, so basically snapshot has all our JSON data properly parsed. Okay, so what we will write here is we'll check with the if condition if snapshot.has data. Okay, and otherwise we will write over here return circular progress indicator. So while it is fetching the data, you can write over here circular progress indicator. Okay, so when I save and hot reload, you can see this data, you can see this circular progress indicator. Now let us get back to if snapshot.has data. What we will write is we will return a list view builder because I need to display this data inside the list view. Okay, this list view builder has the item count function. Okay, so what will be the item count? As I mentioned earlier, snapshot has all our data. Okay, so snapshot.data.length. Okay, and we have to write this shrink wrap true. Okay, and now there is this item builder function which has build context and index. Okay, so consider this item builder function as your for loop. Okay, so each and every row of the data will correspond to this item builder function. This is similar to your for loop with the I. Okay, so whatever data we will get, this item builder function is it corresponds to a single row of the data. Okay, so what I will do over here is snapshot.data of I. Okay, so this indicates a single row inside this list view in this case. Okay, so what I will do over here is write a simple text. Okay, I will return a simple text over here. Okay, say item dot product name. Okay, so when I save and hot reload, cool, you can see all our product name from the JSON file are displayed. You can verify over here. Okay, so all the product name are displayed now. Okay, so once you have got the data, you can play around and display as per your requirements. Okay, you can let me style this. Say I will increase the font size to 20. Okay, so we can verify over here all our product name are displayed. Okay, now let us wrap this in a column so that I can display the price just below it. Okay, now let me fix this alignment first. Cross axis alignment dot start. Okay, cool. Okay, and like once you have got this data, you can play around and display as per your requirements. Okay, so let me add one more text. Say item dot price. Okay, so now when I save and hot reload, you can see that this price is also displayed from our JSON file. Okay, now let me add a card over here so that these are properly distinguished. Okay, let me format the document, the code is displayed properly, and let me add some padding for these cards. Okay, so now they are display, so now it is like a decent display. Okay, so once you have the data, you can play around. Okay, so let me add some padding to this column. Okay, so now when you save and hot reload, you can see. Okay, I feel the padding here is bit more. I will change it to 5. Okay, so you can style the data as per your project requirements. So I hope you got the concept of fetching the data from your JSON file and displaying it on your Flutter application. Thank you so much for watching.